What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining. We got a 10-minute high-speed interval ride today, okay? So what that means is we're going to drop down that resistance. We're going to pick that speed up, all right? Nice and easy. Here we go. Warm those legs up. Find a little bit of a lower impact resistance here, all right? Make sure those knees are bending forward. Feet stay flat. Soft bend in those elbows. Shoulders are relaxed, all right? Nice and easy. Just keep it breathing here. Again, we got an interval ride today, okay? We're gonna work some speed intervals, all right? So again, dropping into a lower resistance, not all the way down. You pick, you choose your resistance, okay? But I want that cadence, those RPMs, I want them nice and high, okay? Actually going through it. We'll be working that speed, and then we'll drop it down just a little bit of that speed just to give you a little breather, and then we'll pick that speed up once again, okay? So we're gonna do that for the full 10 minutes. All right, again, this is your ride, own your ride. All right, nice and easy. Start picking up that cadence. 75 or higher here. All right, get that breathing going. Warm that body up, warm those legs up. Add in a slight resistance a little bit. All right, keep it going, everybody. Okay, again, that's up to you. That resistance knob, that's your control here, okay? I just want you to go focus on you, focus on your legs, focus on that endurance and that cardio. All right, picking that speed up. Here we go. A little bit more resistance. Nice and comfortable for those legs, okay? We're not working the strength. We're not pushing those feet. We're not pushing those legs too hard. We want to focus. Nice smooth ride here, okay? Nice flat ground. All right, again, shoulders are relaxed. Chest is open, okay? Don't be hunched over. Keep it nice and easy. All right, first interval in 10 seconds here. All right, we're gonna do a first one. It's gonna be a seated 1, 2, 1. Here we go. Push. All right, nice smooth circles with those feet. Knees are bending forward. Stay in control. If you're wobbling too much, add just a little bit more resistance, okay? Again, you want to control your body. You want to control your ride. You want to control those legs. Good. Keep it going. Again, RPMs about 80, 90, or above. Okay? I want you to challenge yourselves. Challenge that cardio. Keep going. Keep pushing. 20 more seconds, and we bring it down just a little bit. Keep breathing. Again, that's that key here, okay? Breathe in, nice and easy, nice and controlled. 5 seconds. Keep pushing and relax. All right, nice and easy. Bring back that speed here. Control the breath. Grab water, wipe the sweat during any of these cool down break periods, okay? Add in some more resistance. 10 more seconds and we start up again. This time we're standing out of the saddle. Nice and easy. Give it a little bit more resistance. Make sure you're nice and stable. 1, here we go. Push that speed. Keep going. Soft bending those elbows, chest open. Keep breathing. Keep those feet flat. All right, you guys got this. Again, own your ride. This is up to you. You challenge yourselves physically and mentally. Keep going, keep going. We're gonna switch up the position of your body. Right here, we hover back. Keep that speed going. Hips over that saddle. Bottom not touching that seat though. Elbows right off those handlebars. Bend those elbows. Back is flat. Keep going. Keep going, keep pushing. Have a seat. Bring it down just a little bit. Nice job. Control the breathing. Get in the game, all right? If you're not there yet, this is your time, all right? Body's warmed up. We're moving. We're working. 10 seconds. We stand it back up. We run it out again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on up. Push. Okay? Keep going. Do what you can. Work yourself, work your body, work those legs, work that cardio. All right, cadence. 85 or higher still. If you got more and you go more. If you're not hitting those higher RPMs yet, drop that resistance just a tad bit. Okay, keep going. Nice job. Keep pushing. Again, working that speed. Get those numbers high. Awesome job. 10 seconds, then we hover back. Okay? Hover back. Keep pushing. Keep it working. Back is flat. Core is engaged here, okay? Abs engaged. Body stable right over that bike. Stay focused. All right. Speeding down that road. You got this. Pushing. Racing. All right, racing. Imaginary opponent right next to you. Beat them. Don't let them win. Do what you can. 30 seconds. Keep going a little bit faster. $15 seconds left, then we take a breather. Add 5 more cadence, 5 more RPMs. Run, race, you got it. All right, keep it standing. Great job. Add some resistance. Bring it down just a little bit, okay? All right, we're under 3 minutes here, okay? You've been holding back on me. Give it what you got now, okay? Get that sweat dripping, breathing going. All right? 10 seconds and we start again. Again, we increase that resistance just a tad bit. I want you to keep it there though, okay? I want you to work that speed with a little bit more resistance. Here we go, let's go. Push, breathe, work. Race. Moon circles, feet flat. Control those legs, control the body. Great job. Keep going. Push, push, push. Last hover back. Keep going. Get those RPMs going. Still try and get 75 or higher, 80 or higher, 85 or higher. Where are you? You choose. Keep going, keep going. Keep racing. You're breathing heavy. You're working it, but you don't stop. All right, we don't stop till the end. 30 seconds left. Keep going. Nice work, everybody. Great job. Almost there. Keep it hovering. 10 seconds. All right, last 30 seconds when that hits. Here we go, have a seat. Drop that resistance. Last 30 seconds. Run to the race. Finish line. Keep going. Go, go, go. RPMs 90 or higher. Move those legs. Give me what you got. Five seconds. And relax. All right, great job. Bring down those legs nice and easy here. Catch that breath. Awesome work today. 10 minutes went by fast. All right, you're going fast. Time went by fast. Nice and easy. Bring it down. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Shake those arms out. Relax that body. Good job today. Alright, going to stop your pedaling. Right foot's back, even on both sides. Sit it back. Hips over that saddle. Extend the back. Push back in those heels. Toes up to the ceiling. Stand up. Round that back. Look up to the ceiling. Switch your stance. Opposite foot back. Sit back in. Arms forward. Keep breathing. Stand it back up. Arch that back. Alright. Going to bring it on back. Have a seat. Inhale. Reach those hands up. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Alright, let me know in the comments below. What was your cadence? How high did you get those RPMs? Until next time, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you next time.